How to fix Fortnite crashing and technical issues. Before you begin any of the steps below, be sure to check out our community issues Trello board for known issues. This board is updated by our Fortnite community team with the top known issues in Battle Royale, Creative, Save the World, and Mobile. If you see the issue you're experiencing here, you'll need to wait for us to release a patch to fix it. If you don't see your issue on the Trello board, use these common fixes to try to resolve your issue. PC or Mac troubleshooting. Network connection troubleshooting. Console or mobile troubleshooting. PC or Mac troubleshooting. Verify your system meets the requirements to run Fortnite. To enjoy the best experience in Fortnite, your computer should meet the minimum requirements to run it. This article contains the requirements for Fortnite and how to verify if you meet them. Verify your game files. Verifying your game files checks that none of your game files are missing or corrupt. If they are missing or corrupt, they'll be re-downloaded through the Epic Games Launcher. 1. Open the Epic Games Launcher. 2. Go to your library. 3. Click the 3 dots next to Fortnite. 4. Click Verify. Run the Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. Running the Epic Games Launcher as an administrator may help since it bypasses the user access control which prevents certain actions from taking place on your computer. 1. Right-click your Epic Games Launcher shortcut. 2. Click Run as administrator. 3. Launch Fortnite. Update your video card drivers. Video driver updates are released regularly by manufacturers to fix bugs and improve performance. We highly recommend that you install the latest driver for your video card to have the best player experience in Fortnite. You can find the latest drivers by using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Disable background applications. Sometimes background applications cause issues or reduce performance when you try to play Fortnite. Follow the steps in this article to make sure any background applications are disabled. Repair Visual C++ redistributables. The Visual C++ redistributables are required to be able to run Fortnite. Make sure these are installed and / or repaired. 1. Download all the Visual C++ redistributables here. 2. Make sure to download both the x64 and x86 versions. 3. Once the download completes, run the executable files and choose Repair. Note, if there is no repair option, proceed with the normal installation using the on-screen instructions. 4. Once the repair completes, restart your computer. 5. Relaunch Fortnite. Adjust compatibility mode. Adjusting the compatibility mode for Fortnite may resolve your issue. 1. Navigate to your Fortnite binaries directory, default, C:\program files /epic games /Fortnite /Fortnite game /binaries /win64 2. Locate Fortnite client win64 shipping.exe. 3. Right-click it, and then click Properties. 4. Click Compatibility. 5. Check the box next to run this program in compatibility mode. 4. 6. Make sure Windows 8 is selected. 7. Check the box next to disable full screen optimizations. 8. Click Apply. 9. Click OK. 10. Relaunch Fortnite. Use DirectX 11. If you are using DirectX 12 and having issues playing Fortnite, you can switch to DirectX 11. 1. Open the Epic Games Launcher. 2. Click Settings. 3. Scroll down and expand Fortnite. 4. Check the box for additional command line arguments. 5. Enter D3D11, and then relaunch Fortnite. Network connection troubleshooting. Epic Games Server status. Check the Epic Games Server status page to make sure all systems are operational. If the issue you're experiencing is related to an outage or system-wide issue, you won't be able to connect to Fortnite until the outage or issue is resolved. Set matchmaking region to auto. Setting your matchmaking region set to auto will connect you to the servers that provide you the lowest latency or ping. 1. Launch Fortnite. 2. Click Battle Royale. 3. Click the menu button in the top right. 4. Click Settings. 5. Click the gear icon at the top. 6. Set the matchmaking region to auto. Packet loss. Packet loss occurs when one or more packets of data sent from your computer to our servers and back again fail to reach their destination. Here is a command line option that may fix your packet loss. 1. Open your Epic Games Launcher. 2. Click Settings. 3. Scroll down and expand Fortnite. 4. Check the box next to additional command line arguments. 5. Type limit client ticks into the empty text field to throttle network updates. If you continue to have packet loss, reach out to your internet service provider for further assistance. Console connection troubleshooting. If you are playing on a console, try our standard networking troubleshooting here. If your console continues to have connection issues, we recommend reaching out to your console manufacturer for additional help. PlayStation support, Xbox support, Nintendo support. Unable to log in error message. If you are trying to play Fortnite and receive this error message, it's because your system isn't loading fast enough. This tends to happen when a system doesn't meet Fortnite's minimum requirements. You can see the minimum requirements here. Console or mobile troubleshooting. Important, Apple has blocked your access to Fortnite on iOS devices. Fortnite on Android is currently available through the Epic Games app on the Samsung Galaxy Store or epicgames.com. Fortnite is currently unavailable on Google Play. Learn more. Unable to enter a username on Nintendo Switch. If you are unable to enter a username when creating an Epic Games account on Nintendo Switch, try entering the name using the console's touchscreen or by docking the console and using a controller. Reinstall Fortnite. Consoles and mobile devices are closed systems, meaning there aren't many troubleshooting options to fix issues you're having. The most common fix is to reinstall Fortnite. Here are instructions on how to remove the application for both Android and iOS. Android, 1. Press and hold the Fortnite icon. 2. Tap on Install. 3. Visit the Epic Games website to download the installer and reinstall Fortnite. For assistance with reinstalling Fortnite on your console, we recommend using your console manufacturer's website here. PlayStation support, Xbox support, Nintendo support. Still having trouble? If you're still experiencing trouble playing Fortnite, we'll be happy to help you out. Click on Contact Us to submit a ticket and be sure to include the following information and files so that we can expedite the troubleshooting process: a list of all the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. This is important so we don't provide you with steps you've already done. A screenshot of the error, if applicable. Your Fortnite game logs files. See this article to locate them. Your DX diagram file. See this article to generate one.